Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account so you can leave the social media for quite some time without deleting your content, without deleting your followers, without losing your data. First thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner and go on your landing page on your Instagram account. Then you want to go ahead and click on the upper right corner. Click on the three straight lines. Very well. Now you want to click on settings and privacy, and then you want to click on account center. When you're over here, you want to scroll down to the section that is called account settings, and you want to click on the second option, which is personal details. Over here you want to choose the last option, which is account ownership and control. When you're over here, you can simply choose between deactivation or deletion of your account. As I mentioned, there's a huge difference between both options. The way how you actually reactivate your account is simply coming back and log in, okay? For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.